If you are between the age of 40 to 50, or let's just say 60 years, you need to watch this video. It is not every investment that you put your money into. Even in my community, I advise them not to invest into some stocks, especially if they are between the age of 50 to 60 years. You don't want to be buying meme coin when you are 50, right? You want to be buying stocks that are paying you consistent dividends, dividend paying stocks, right? So those are the kind of stocks you should be buying if you are very close to your retirement. You shouldn't be buying, stocks that are penny stocks, stocks that are still trying to find their way in the market, right? So these are the kind of investment you should be doing if you are between the age of 50 to 60. You should be buying treasury bills, you should be buying federal government savings bonds. Those ones, they are very guaranteed. They are being backed up by federal government. Treasury bills is just you loaning money to federal government on a short-term loan, while federal government bond is you loaning money to federal government on a long-term loan. Let's say between 2 to 3 years, that's federal government savings bond. This thing happen and they open it up, once every month. So you can buy as little as 5,000 naira. Treasury bills, you can buy as little as 100,000 naira. Those ones are backed up. So some of them are 17%, 15%. It depends on the tenor that you have. So those are the kind of investment you should be doing, not you buying meme. People telling you to come and buy Bitcoin and all that. Those investments are good, but you don't have the time. Actually, you don't have the time again. You can't afford to lose your money. You can't afford to, because of your health, because of your age, you can't afford to lose some money. No, we now that are between the age of 20, 30, we can still push money around. Risk, our risk level is still very high. We can see risk. But if you are kind of person that you're already aging, close to your retirement, there are some stocks you should not be buying. That's the reason why we advise that you join our community. I do this step by step. Whenever we are recommending stocks in our community, I try as much as possible to give my community the kind of stocks that match with their age. So if you want to join our community, do well to click on the link on my bio, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.